Yep, welcome back to another day recap. Today is the 26th of June, and we're just going to go over what I took today, or rather, what forward tested today. So, we'll just go right into it. So, on the daily, we're in a buy model. I said this yesterday. On the 4 hour, we're still buying higher. We have a fair value gap here. We have another 4 hour fair value gap here, and we go to the 15. We have all of this sell side down here. We've already seen we've made this equilibrium range, or this range right here, and we've tapped equilibrium. We've tapped the hourly fair value gap, as well as that we tapped the 4 hour fair value gap. So I'm looking for longs today. I was looking for shorts before. Well, not completely looking for shorts, but I wasn't stuck to longs. So if you look at the 5 minute here, we actually had a change in the state here, and we had this AMD near New York Open, and we swept this internal high, and there wasn't an entry here, but we did sell off to equilibrium. So when we did sell off here, we hit the equilibrium of the range. We hit equilibrium of this range, and goes to 15. We swept sell side, which is our internal manipulation, and going to the 5, we have change in state, but the entry wasn't taken on the 5. It was taken here, and this was a forward test because I do need to wait for order flow, because that is my model. But now there is one thing that I don't really like about this trade, is that we have this inversion right here. Now I usually count the volume imbalance, but I've seen ICT said to not count the volume imbalance when the bottom wick causes consequent encroachment. Now I've seen through backtesting and through live markets that the constant encroachment of with the volume imbalance actually has an effect in price. So I took this on forward testing. It looks really clean. The change in the state and the internal manipulation and equilibrium as well, but I don't think I would take this on an actual evaluation or whatever, right? And yeah, so we've got this 5 minute change in the state. I don't think we got an entry on ES. Let me check. No. ES was really choppy. We had a lot of wicks. I was looking at a trade, but we had too much hesitation on this change in the state, and also it was so wicky. So I think I would have taken this because we had the equal lows down here. That would be our internal manipulation, and then we had the inversion right here. Let's mark it out. There you go. And we also had a 5 minute fair value gap holding price higher, but it never managed to close above that change in the state, so I didn't take it. I'm sorry about how messy my chart is right now, but yeah, not really much else to say. Oh, the draws on liquidity for me was this 4 hour high on NQ, and also the highs over here, which is just this market maker high sell model to buy model on the 1 minute, obviously, but yeah, sell model to buy model. I would say that this was the end of the buy model, a sell model actually, of the market maker model, but I'll show you the executions. Where is it? There it is. So here's the buy. As soon as that candle closed, I bought, And yeah, but this is paper because it was a forward test, but nevertheless, it was a really good trade. I was looking for another entry. I was hoping that I would do what I would marked out, but it didn't. We just came and took that high up here. So I was looking for an internal manipulation of this low, and then for us to have a change in state inversion, and I would have taken that to up here. But this high over here, the 4-hour high, I don't really like, and it's because it's so far away. And ES, we actually took out draws really quickly. So this was my draw for ES. These fair value gaps I'm not really a fan of, but what's the one over here? And as you can see, it was actually really close to this high right here, which is my draw for ES. So I kind of got off early after taking this trade here because all my draws were already taken out. This high forming with SMT, having SMT with this high here, and yeah, that's pretty much it for the day recap. Not much else to go through here. Yeah. So one last thing, show you the Notion or the journal. And yeah, we actually have been going crazy with the bias and stuff. But today I was bullish, I was correct. And today was bullish. I did follow my rules. We did have unemployment claims today as well. But yeah. We do forward testing. There we go. And this is a W. There we go. And I will show you the pre-market journal. 4 hours still holding bullish. We tapped them now with the gap. I want to see a 5-minute order flow shift. And I think we did have that. Oh wait, no, we didn't have that. But yeah, as I said, this was a forward test, so I didn't take it. And that was because the 5-minute order flow, it wasn't gonna switch. So I feel like we would have shown it as soon as we tapped into it. So I definitely could be bearish. Overall, I think it's a low probability day. It was a low probability day. I filter myself to really high probability models, and this was the high probability model, but the framework never showed up. So I'll let the market display price. I was patient today. Like a 1-minute model, most likely bullish. Yeah. Okay. So that's the end of the day recap. Hope you guys enjoyed. Peace.